The victimization of witness. In this, there are three cases. First case is the trade union member is deprived of his office. These are the meanings I have written here. First is suborned, bribe or otherwise induce someone to commit an unlawful act such as perjury. Next is perjury, means the offense of willfully telling an untruth or making a misrepresentation under oath, lying under oath. Next is gross, especially of a wrongdoing very obvious and unacceptable. Intimidate, frighten or overaway someone especially in order to make them to do what one. Next is victimize, single someone out for a cruel or unjust treatment, treat, trick, cheat, exploit, abuse, or torture. Dire, extremely serious or urgent. Damnified, cause injury to. In the victimization of witness, there is a second case, that is the tenant is evicted from his home. Of this case, these meanings are written. Tenant, a person who occupies land or property rented from a landlord. Evicted means expel someone from the property, especially with the support of the law. Remove. Tort means a wrongful act or an infringement of a right other than under contract leading to liability. Tenement, a piece of a land held by a owner. Supponent, summon someone with subpoena, require document or other evidence to be submitted to a court of a law. A subpoena is a document that requires its recipient to appear in a court as a witness. If you receive a subpoena, it doesn't mean you have done anything wrong. It means you have information that needed by the court. Vindictively means clear someone of a blame or a suspension. Show or prove to be right, reasonable or justified. Deterrent, a thing that discourages or is intended to discourage someone from doing something, damper, curb or barrier. Grievance, a real or imagined cause for complaint, especially unfair treatment, injustice. Injunction, an authoritative warning or order, mandate, instruction. Invalid, a person made weak or disabled by illness or injury. Taint, a trace of a bad or undesirable substance or a quality. Black mark, imperfection, fault. Convenance, an agreement, contract, treaty, pact, deal, brand. It's a bond. Conscience, a person's moral sense of a right and wrong, viewed by altering as a guide to one's behavior. Valet, a person's personal male attendant who is responsible for his clothes and appearance. Manservant. Ideal, ideally, with no particular purpose, reason, or a foundation, in an aimless or a lazy way. Flouted, openly disregard. Venture, a risky or a daring journey or undertaking. And third case is about the refusing to answer questions. First is spy, a person employed by a government or other government organization to secretly obtain the information on an enemy or a competitor. Admiralty, jurisdiction of the courts of a law over cases concerning ships or the sea and other navigable waters. Jurisdiction, official power to make legal decisions and judgments. Divulge, make known private or sensitive information. Disclose, reveal, take, tell, expose, declare and publish. In this third, refusing to answer questions, in that there is a first case. Two journalists are sent to prison. These are the meanings of this first. And second is the new statesman is angry. retaliate, make an attack in return for a similar attack. Satire, the use of humor, irony, exaggeration, or ridicule to expose and criticize people's stupidity or vice, particularly in the context of temporary politics and other topical issues. Boudoir, a woman's bedroom or a small private room. Next is napping, sleep, flogging, the action of deliberately falling or stumbling in order to give the appearance of having been flogged by an opponent. Clergyman, a male priest, minister, or religious leader, especially a Christian one. Striptease, a form of entertainment in which a performer gradually undresses to music in a way intended to be sexually excited. So these were all the meanings which were going to come in the case. Only just you have to know the meaning of that word, then you will easily understand the case. First is victimization of witness. The trade union member is deprived of his office. Witness. So what protection is given to witness? Then suborn to commit perjury because of fear. Till 1962 it was not considered a contempt of a court. To intimidate or victimize a witness. Attorney General versus Butterworth. Means till 1962 it was not a crime when victimization was done to the witness. Then this was debated and considered. It was in Attorney General versus Butterworth. Mr. Butterworth and others were on the committee of the branch of a trade union. One of the members had been given evidence which they disliked. He has given it before the Restrictive Practices Act. Mr. Butterworth and others decided to punish him. They deprived him of his office as a branch delegate and treasurer. Then it was reported to the Attorney General. Because he has a public duty to prosecute for the contempt of court, he considered that the action of Butterworth and others was a contempt. He applied to the Restrictive Practices Court. They held it was not a contempt. Attorney General appealed to our court. I remember this case for a particular reason. It was argued for the 3 days. It was a night of long knives. Then I cannot agree with the decision of the Restrictive Practices Court, for there can be no greater contempt than to intimidate a witness before he gives his evidence or to victimize him afterwards for having given it. Means in this the importance is written that why it is, then why the protection is given to the witness, the importance is written in this paragraph. And if the witness is not given protection, then it is such justice to given to the witness, then it would be better that the doors of the courts of justice were at once closed. Means why it is important to give the justice? Because if everybody is victimized, then nobody is willing to come in the court and tell the truth, to give evidence. Intimating a witness is considered the contempt of the court. After then this, the result was that 3 will pay £200 apiece and 3 will pay 100 pound 100 apiece. Total pound 900 Attorney General's cost was there. This is the first case. The trade union member is deprived of his office. The trade union member is deprived of his office. So here I have completed the first case. The next second one is the tenant is evicted from his house. There is another case that arises an important point, that when a witness is victimized and suffers a loss on account of it, a contemptor can be punished by the courts by fine or imprisonment, but can the sufferer sue the contemptor for damages? The victimization is not only a criminal offense, it is, to my mind, a civil wrong, a tort as lawyers call it. A house was let out by a landlord in tenement flats. A landlord forcefully evicted one tenant called Harrent.